Okay guys, so this is how to save on Infinite Design any of your art. Now let's check this out. Yeah, it takes a lot of time to load because of the size and the work that has been done on the art. So this is the original drawing. This is original. Anyway, so we are here to learn how to save. Now there are two ways of saving. You can either save by pressing save here, save, and then it saves your work currently, like wherever you are there. Saving is by pressing open. Pressing this open here. Then when you press open, it will tell you to save. Press save or save copy. Please press save, don't press save copy, save. Now the good thing about open save is that open saves actually saves the project and then allows you go to another project, but the other save just really saves the project as at where it is. So that's just why if you watch many of my videos, what I normally do is open save and not just save. So I advise you to use open save for your drawings. Good luck with that.